everyone, welcome to Indian Curries and Pickles. It's my pleasure to share that this is the 25th episode of Indian Curries and Pickles. Over the past few months, I have shared some gourmet recipes with you. But we are now coming up with one-pot wonders for all the viewers who need quick fix meals. Today, I would also like to thank you for the encouraging feedback. But a few people who follow vegetarianism have complained that I have attempted non-vegetarian dishes mostly. So this is a special episode for all of you. Today we are going to cook king of vegetables, parwal or pointed gourd. Let's make it. So let me introduce you all to the king of vegetable, parwal. The dish which I'm going to make today out of these parwals, I have named it as Shahi Parwal. The recipe is very similar to the Mughlai cuisine. So I'm going to use some very basic ingredients. Let me show you what all I'm going to use. These are fried onions, these are boiled potatoes, this is khoya, these are basic spices, star anise, cloves, black peppercorns, nutmeg powder and cardamom powder. This is milk powder or dairy creamer. These are parwals. I've already done the stuffing, but I'll show you how do we do the stuffing for this Mughlai style of parwal. So this is khoya. If you don't have khoya, you can also use cottage cheese. I will add a little bit of salt to this and some cardamom powder, little bit of nutmeg powder. So what we have to do is we have to first scoop out the seeds from the parwal. Just slit it into two halves with the other side intact. Scoop out the seeds from it and make sure you take small size parwals. Scoop out the seeds and then mix this khoya and stuff it inside. Just press it tightly after that. So let's add mustard oil first. So now the oil has started smoking. We'll add all the spices. Add potatoes. And now add these parwals. Add some thyme or red chili powder. Now we'll keep the lid on for a while on high flame. Now parwal is almost done. Now we'll give it a twist. See, you can see it becomes soft. Potatoes were already boiled, so they don't need much of time. Now what we will do is we'll add this dairy creamer in water. Mix it well. So this dairy creamer will give it beautiful aroma and slight sweetish tinge. The color of the dish has changed beautifully. We will keep the lid on for another 2 to 3 minutes. We'll take out this gorgeously looking parwals in a platter with potatoes and garnish it with fried onions and little bit of mawa or khoya. If you don't have khoya, I'm saying it again, you can use cottage cheese. So friends, our Mughlai style Shahi Parwal is ready. With this, we are coming to an end of gourmet recipes. From next week onwards, we are going to start a series of one-pot wonders with a new format. I hope you all will enjoy as you have enjoyed this series. So friends, do follow us on our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. For the detailed recipe, press the title of the dish and you will get the detailed written recipe. Bye-bye.